Welcome back to Building Blocks, the show that turns complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. Today, we have a special bonus episode for you, where we'll delve into the mysterious world of cryptography. Ready to crack the code? Let's go! Introduction to Blockchain Technology. Bonus episode, Cracking the Code, Understanding Cryptography. Cryptography is the art and science of secure communication. In a nutshell, it's all about keeping information secret and making sure it's only accessible to the intended recipient. Think of it as a digital game of hide and seek, where we use mathematical algorithms to protect our secrets. There are two main types of cryptography: symmetric key and asymmetric key cryptography. In symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. Think of it like a secret password that both you and your friend know to unlock a hidden message. On the other hand, asymmetric key cryptography uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is shared with everyone, while the private key is kept secret. This allows people to encrypt messages using your public key, but only you, with your private key, can decrypt them. It's like having a mailbox with a unique lock that only you have the key to open. Cryptography plays a crucial role in blockchain technology. It's used to ensure the security and integrity of data. In the case of blockchain, cryptographic hashing and digital signatures are two essential components. Hashing is the process of converting data into a fixed-length string of numbers and letters, creating a unique digital fingerprint for each block. Digital signatures, on the other hand, are used to verify the authenticity of transactions and to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to the blockchain. And that's a wrap on our bonus episode. We hope you enjoyed this quick dive into the world of cryptography. With its vital role in ensuring the security and privacy of digital information, cryptography is a key component of the blockchain universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Building Blocks, signing off.